Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're viewing me for the first time, my name is Steph Vassos and it's wonderful to meet you. If you're new here, I highly suggest you hit that subscribe button wherever it may be so you can join an empowered community of bosses and babes. So as you can probably tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to manifest your desires using a very simple and effective tool. Now this is going to sound a bit unconventional and it's not going to make a lot of sense, but the way that we're going to be manifesting our desires is actually by drinking water. I'm sorry, what are we doing? Oh my god, Spirit God, you're finally back. Yeah, I needed a break. What did you need a break from? From you? Oh, I mean, that's kind of mean to say, but I mean, welcome back, I guess. Yeah, thanks. I guess it's good to be back. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, what exactly are we doing here? Because I heard that you're talking about drinking water to manifest our desires, and I don't know about you, but whatever you're smoking, hook a girl up. So first things first, we need to acknowledge that our bodies are about 60% water. Our brains are composed of about 73% water, and our lungs are composed of about 83% water. And we also know that we need a lot of water in order to thrive, survive, and be healthy. So how does this relate to manifesting our desires? Good question. In 1994, Dr. Masaru Emoto, and I probably said that wrong, but Dr. Emoto had the idea of freezing water into ice and then observing them with a microscope. Essentially, he wanted to see what water was composed of and what it looked like when frozen. He began to observe the water crystals after he played them music, after he would pray to them, and after he would show them pictures. After his research results, Dr. Emoto then came up with the conclusion that water is the blueprints to our reality, and that our mental, emotional, and physical energy can change the vibration and the physical state of the water. So what exactly were the results of Dr. Emoto's study? So here is a picture of the frozen water crystal after telling it that it was evil. Now compare it to this picture, which is a frozen water crystal that was told love and gratitude. Now here's a water crystal that was told, and I quote, "you fool." And then on the opposite end of the spectrum, here's a water crystal for the word thank you. Dr. Emoto also did a study where he took a group of people out to a lake and they basically prayed for the lake in order to give it better energy. Here's a picture of the water before a prayer ceremony for the water in Biwa Lake in 1999. And here's how it looked after the prayer ceremony. So after seeing these photos, can you see a difference in the water crystals and the beauty that they hold and the energy that they hold? And can you discern which one you would rather drink? Definitely the evil one, right? I know, me too. No. So after seeing Dr. Emoto's results, what kind of impact do you think your thoughts and your words about yourself have on your actual physical body? Even when you do the smallest and simplest thing, like you knock over a cup of water and you say, "Oh, I'm so stupid." Something so small as that statement is being absorbed into your body, and you are believing that and you are acting upon that thought that you were stupid. So firstly, and I know this sounds so like new agey law of attraction kind of bullshit, but the first thing that we need to do in order to manifest our desires is to clean up our thought process. As the saying goes, every thought is acted upon. May not be by you, but maybe by someone else. So from healthcare professionals, we are advised to drink about 2 liters of water per day or 8 cups of water a day, which are pretty much the exact same measurement. And when you think about it, that's actually a lot of water to be consuming throughout the day. But that also means that's a lot of opportunity for us to start manifesting. So how exactly do we do this whole manifesting desires via drinking water thing? First and foremost, begin talking to your water. I know, you're probably thinking I'm a crazy woman, but it's true. Talk to your water. Tell your cup of water that you want health, that you want abundance, that you want love, that you want thicker eyebrows, whatever it is that you desire. Tell that to your water, because that energy is going to be absorbed right into when you drink it. $5,000 views on this video, 5,000 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 views on this video. Number 2, another fun and easy thing to do is that you can create a coaster with a word or possibly a photo and just place it underneath your water on your bedside table before you go to bed. So then throughout the night, your water is gonna be absorbing that beautiful energy from that coaster. And then the first thing that you do the next morning is that you drink that water and you infuse yourself with that good energy that will last throughout the rest of the day. The third thing that you can do is to place a crystal or a gem into your water. Essentially, all that it does is it charges your water with the energy of that crystal. I want to be more grounded and more focused tomorrow. Something to be aware of though, make sure that you don't drink the crystal. You might want to filter it out before you start drinking, or maybe use like a straw in your cup so you don't drink it. And of course, before you put anything into your water, make sure it's clean and sanitized. So the last thing that you can do in terms of drinking your water to infuse that energy within you is to play music to that water. Now, of course, be mindful and discern what kind of music you're going to be playing to the water. You're beautiful, it's true. Keep spending most of your life living in gangster's paradise.
The day I seriously thought about killing you, I contemplated premeditated murder. And I'm thinking about killing myself, and I love myself way more than I love you, so.
Because you don't want to be infusing the water with bad energy. So those are all the tips and tricks that I have for you today. Now, if you do this once in the morning and you wish for a new Mercedes or thicker eyebrows or whatever it is that you desire, or a new job, whatever, is it gonna happen just by drinking 1 cup of water? Probably not. I'm just gonna be honest with you. This is something that you need to build and work on and continue ingesting. Because think of all the negative thought patterns that you've had for maybe 5, 10, 15 years that have been stopping you from this. For example, if you've always thought that you're ugly and you always, you look in the mirror and you're just like, oh, I'm ugly, I hate myself. Think about all of the wiring that is going into your brain and rewiring, telling you that that is what your reality is, when you're probably gorgeous as shit and you just don't even know it. So drinking 1 cup of water isn't gonna solve all of your problems, but drinking 50, 100, 1,000 even, that is what's gonna start changing your reality. When every single cell in your body is absorbing this loving and self-love energy, that's when the change is going to be made. In the meantime as well, if you're looking for something like a new job or a brand new Mercedes, you also need to use the very key tool of actually taking action to do this. This water idea, it's great. It works. I live by it, but it's just the foundation. You actually need to work to bring it into this dimension. So that is it for this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you thought it was useful, then share it with your friends and they can be introduced to this channel and this video, and they can hopefully live a more empowered, beautiful, and happier life. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Let the